Hi, this is a video tutorial that'll help you learn how to play Fight Song by Rachel Platten. We won't be learning the whole song today, rather just the chorus, or what you might call the main part of the song. And this is a great song for the entire band to play because we're only going to be using the first 5 notes of a B-flat major scale. Now, let's start learning the song phrase by phrase. Don't forget you can pause the video and try it for yourself after each phrase and rewind it and play it back with the video. The notes will be in the video as well as available down below in the description with the time codes of the phrases. Great! Now that we've learned all the phrases, we can put it together with the rehearsal track. Let's give it a try. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was super informative and helped you play Fight Song by Rachel Platten.